Hi, welcome to Golden Daily Deco channel, and right now using our 60 antique silver floating vanity. Crafted from waterproof plywood for long-lasting durability. It features a dark ash Sintered stone countertop, seamlessly integrated with a ceramic sink. The chrome edge detail elevates the design. Its floating, wall-mounted design saves floor space and creates a clean, open look. The basin includes a chrome drain and overflow and is pre-drilled for a single-hole faucet, paired with the matte black stainless steel shelf for a sleek contemporary finish. Two spacious, soft-closed drawers provide ample room for organizing your essentials, with customizable compartments for a truly personalized storage solution. To take out the drawer, it's really easy by a simple click. So there will be a hook here, and you just do press on that. You do the same thing on the other side. And you can remove them easily. Available together or separately, visit our full showroom or shop online right now.